Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlan here. So, let's talk magnets again. So, what else could there be to talk about magnets, right? They stick together sometimes. They attract things sometimes. Nah, there's a lot to talk about magnets. Today we're going to talk specifically though about electromagnets. Now I have here an iron rod around which I have wrapped a wire. Okay? And my wire is unraveling as I speak to you. That's okay, I'm going to wrap it back up. I've just taken a wire and wrapped it around this iron rod a few times. You can do this at home with a screwdriver, right? Wrap the wire around the handle. I've done it with a nail. It would be very small, but I've done it with a nail. So you can do this. You just need a bit of wire, insulated is best. We want safety first. And you're going to connect that wire some kind of way to a battery. Now, the thing is, you're going to want your, see how mine was spread out? You're going to want yours to be scrunched up and tightly wound. Okay? So I've just got, it's like I said, an ordinary iron rod, and I've got some paper clips here in front of me. And I'm going to connect this wire to the battery. I want you to watch what happens now. Now I'm able to pick up paper clips. Why? I have magnetized this piece of iron. This is now an electromagnet. What happens if I turn the electricity off, if I disconnect the battery? No electricity, no magnetism. So make your own electromagnet. Look and see if you can tell the difference between situations. You know, how many paper clips can I pick up if I wrap my wire around this thing 20 times or 40 times or 60 times or whatever. And you can go on top of other things. You know, you can keep going and going and going. You don't have to go in a straight line. You can coil on top of other coils. See how many paper clips you pick up if you use a skinnier screwdriver shaft versus a thicker screwdriver shaft, right? So instead of me having a rod this thick, what if I grabbed one that was thinner or thicker? Would that affect how much magnetism I get from this? So have fun with this. This is an easy way to investigate electricity and magnetism, and a safe way to do it too. Stay safe, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have fun with this one. Check it out. Look it up. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.